LTO data tape cartridges deliver reliable, long-term, cost-effective storage for large media files. After initial purchase of the LTO system, the cost per terabyte for the cartridges is hard to beat, and the cartridges themselves are extremely stable, providing a lifetime of at least 30 years. We at XenData offer a wide range of solutions for managing your media assets on LTO, from media archives with multi-petabyte robotic libraries to smaller systems. In this video, we compare our two solutions that manage one or more external LTO drives. The first is our XenData 6 workstation software that, as the name implies, creates a workstation solution for archiving to LTO. It runs on a Windows computer and is very easy to use. It allows you to manage an unlimited number of LTO cartridges. For those that require more advanced functionality or need to use their LTO archive over a network, we have the X1 LTO network appliance. Here is a summary of the functionality common to the XenData 6 workstation software and the X1 appliance. They both manage one or more external LTO drives, and they manage an unlimited number of offline LTO cartridges. They both allow browse and file search across all cartridges, even those that are offline. You can run reports on the contents of all cartridges under management. The report results can be exported to Excel for further analysis. They both support all file types from DPX to MXF or even Word docs. You are able to archive and restore files locally. They both support File Folder Archive and restore using Windows File Explorer. You can format LTO cartridges in either LTFS or TAR. They both support rewritable and worm LTO cartridges, and they use end-to-end logical block checksums, ensuring file integrity. The X1 appliance provides even more functionality and delivers a high-performance solution in a small footprint. One or more LTO drives connect to it via Thunderbolt 3 or USB 3.1. And if your LTO drive has a SAS port, it may be connected to the Thunderbolt port via an adapter. The appliance connects to your network via 1 gigabit Ethernet or wireless. The X1 runs Windows 10 Pro and is powered by the LTO Server edition of XenData Archive series, software that is trusted by some of the world's largest media and entertainment companies to manage their LTO archives. Performance and functionality are greatly enhanced with a 1.92 terabyte SSD cache. It also includes FSMirror software, XenData's software for synchronizing locally accessible file systems to LTO. The X1's LTO storage volume appears locally as a single logical drive, the X drive, and there are multiple ways to write to and restore files from it. You can copy or move files locally to and from the X drive. You could, for example, connect a camera card reader directly to the X1 and transfer files to LTO using Windows Explorer. You can also share the X drive over your network and write to it and restore from it like any disk-based share. You can write to the X1 even when the designated cartridge is not present in your LTO drive. The files will be cached on the 1.92 terabyte SSD within the X1 until the designated cartridge is inserted. Another way to use the X1 is to synchronize one or more locally accessible file systems or file shares to LTO. This uses the X1's FSMirror synchronization software. The X1 is compatible with a wide range of third-party applications that are used in the media and entertainment industry, many of which use the X1 APIs for tight integration. One example is Project Parking from Marquis Broadcast, which runs on the X1 and delivers a convenient way to archive completed Avid projects and free up space on your shared disk storage. Another example is Fast Tracker from Facilis, which also runs on the X1 and automatically indexes video and image files written to LTO, creating thumbnails and proxies that can be retained on the X1's internal SSD cache. The X1 appliance provides advanced functionality, whether used on a network or as a workstation. These advanced features include automatic replication of LTO cartridges when you have 2 or more LTO drives attached, spanning of file transfers across LTO cartridges, partial file restore, which is ideal for restoring a clip from a large video file without need to restore the complete file, email alerts, and on-screen messages. If you attempt to restore a file located on an offline cartridge, the system will identify the name of the cartridge that contains that file. The X1 comes with Cloud File Gateway software built in. This means that some or all your files and folders can be replicated to cloud object storage, which is ideal for sharing some of your content to remote users. It can also be used to provide a cloud backup of your LTO archive. As you can see, the X1 appliance provides comprehensive functionality, and by adding third-party software, it becomes a versatile application platform. Whereas XenData 6 workstation software creates a simple and easy-to-use solution for managing an unlimited number of LTO cartridges using a Windows workstation.